everyone,
I'm back.
to our amazing learning adventure. Today, we're opening the magic key to discover new words and fun actions. Get ready to learn with your body and your voice. Let's start our journey. Are you ready to explore? Our first lesson is all about yummy fruits. Look, what is this? It's an apple. Can you say apple? Next, we have a long yellow banana. Say banana with me. And here is a round, juicy orange. Let's say orange together. Wonderful. You're doing great with our yummy fruits. Now, let's talk about my family. Who is this? It's Mummy. Can you say Mummy? Nears. Daddy. Say Daddy with me. Look, it's Baby. Can you say Baby? Fantasto. You know your family words? Now, let's learn about how I feel. When you smile, you are happy. Show me your happy face. Sometimes we feel sad. Can you make a sad face? Hey. And when you're tired, you are sleepy. Show me your sleepy face. Excellent. You can show your feelings. Let's explore in my room. This is a comfy bed. Can you say bed? Here is a fun toy. Say toy with me. And this is a book. Can you say book? Wonderful. You know what's in my room? Now, let's do some action words. Let's run. Can you run? And now, let's jump. Can you jump? Time to dance. Can you dance? Amazing! You're great at action words. Let's have some weather fun. Look, it's the sun. Can you say sun? Oh, no. Fa? It's rain. Say rain with me. Bear. It's snow. Can you say snow? Fentaz. You know all about the weather. Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. Everyone, let's visit my garden. Look at this beautiful flower. Can you say flower? Here is a tall green tree. Say tree with me. And this is soft green grass. Can you say grass? Wonderful. You know your garden words. Let's learn about healthy habits. It's important to wash hands. Can you wash hands? And remember to brush teeth. Can you brush teeth? Excellent! You're learning great healthy habits. Wow! We've learned so many new words and actions today. Let's do a super review. And remember all the fun actions. Run, jump, dance, wash hands, and brush teeth. You are all amazing learners. Give yourselves a big high five. Keep practicing and exploring with the magic key. See you next time for more fun.